Grand Rising. Happy holidays. It is the 4th of July, 2022. And what time is it? It is 7:43 Central Standard Time. I'm over here on the charts taking a look. We got some green action going on a lot of our assets. So we just wanted to come over here and take a look, see what type of a trend turnaround, if we have any trend changes. And let's see what we got going on in the market. So first one I'm gonna take a look at is Bitcoin. Yeah, yeah, right there. Yeah. We had a bottom, or the bottom, or somewhat of a bottom come in. Move it out the way. All right, sorry about that. I had a phone call come in. So, like I was saying, we had a low over here on, what day was this? June the 18th, 2022. June 18th, 2022, we had a low. What's this price right here? Why does my chat box keep coming up? Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm trying to draw a line. My chat box keep coming up. There we go. We had a low price of $17,606.13. That was on Bitstamp. I'm on a 1 hour time frame right now. Currently, we have a price of $19,684.54. So we seem to be ranging in this area here, because we can't get out of this range that I'm looking at. This range right here. We seem to be in this range between, well, actually not even in that range. I'm going to say in between this one right here. Yeah, that's a better range right here. Let's delete this one at the top. So we're ranging in between 17,000 and 19,800. Now, what I am noticing though is we had a low here, but we have a higher low here. Bring that down. Here's your higher low. It's on a 1 hour time frame. Now, we have not been able to break out of this trend, but we are seeing some sort of a turnaround on the 1 hour time frame. I would like to see this breakout and then back test and then continue to the upside, possibly to somewhere around 21,000 on Bitcoin. And if that doesn't happen, if this just keeps getting rejected and we're going to come back down and we're probably consolidate down to somewhere around 19,200, as we already had a nice move to the upside from, where was our range? $19,000 area, and then we ran up to 19,800. So from here, right there, from here to the resistance, you had a 4.37% move, 4.37% move, which is almost $1,000, and over the course of 10 hours. So Bitcoin has moved, but we're still hitting those previous support levels. What used to be support is now resistance. What used to be support is now resistance. You got to remember that. So here's the resistance that used to be support. So now let's see if we could break out of this resistance. And if we can't break out of this, and we start moving back to the downside. Let's take a look at this on the 4 hour. 4 hours showing you the same thing. Had that low here, higher lows right here. But this used to be support. This used to be our floor. It is now operating as the ceiling. Real clear. You don't have to do anything else to this. All you got to do is find out where previous price action support was, and you'll be able to find out where the resistance is. So now we're just waiting to see if we get that breakout and then a back test. Just take it to a daily, same thing. Clear, very clear, very clear. So you got to break this. Let's see what we're looking like on the let's turn on the EMAs, MACD, RSI. Let's see what you got. Positive on your MACD. And it looks like you are just now coming out of that oversold territory on your RSI. Yeah. Yeah. You're just now coming out the oversold territory. You were oversold for quite a while and you came out and then you went back into oversold territory. But now I want you to notice that when you came back into the oversold territory, you didn't dip as low as this oversold territory right here. So keep that in mind as well. So yeah, let's take a look. We had a breakout of the 20-day, got rejected by the 50-day. So now, yep, I will be looking for some sort of consolidation and looking for the 20-day to hold as the support. As long as was that 19,400 area holds as the support, I'm looking for a continued move to the upside, but we got to break that resistance. See what the support looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, see, you had a move, broke out, got to the overbought territory. Now you're starting to sell off and you got rejected. Clear rejection by your 200-day on the 1 hour. Clear rejection right there. Bam. Actually, you've been rejected twice now. Been rejected twice now. So yeah, this is definitely going to operate as your resistance. If you can get some volume to come in and break that, then yeah, I'm looking for a continued move to the upside. And that is on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Uh-huh. Take a look at this. This one we already had drawn out. I don't even have to go back through this. This was our measured move of resistance. It is still playing out as the resistance. Let's move this over. But you are in the box now, though. I will say that. I will say that you are in the box now. So let's see. And that's on a 1 hour. You are above all major moving averages on the 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. You got above your 20, had a strong move above your 20. And now you have support from the 50. You might continue with the move, but this line right here, and let me open this up to a larger time frame, show you what I'm talking about. On a larger scale, 1111 used to be support. It's now resistance. And then you're highly oversold on the weekly time frame, and you coming out of that negative momentum. Coming out of that negative momentum. Let's open that up just a little bit right there. Coming out the negative momentum, but not strong. Still kind of a little choppy on a weekly. Let's take this back to a daily. Yeah, now you had some sort of hidden bullish divergence. Maybe. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see if the RSI holds that trend. See if we hold that trend on the RSI. Take a look at that. Put that right there. Yeah. See if we hold the RSI. See if we hold the trend on that RSI. Yeah. That could be your bullish divergence right there. Let's take a look at a 4 hour. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, definitely got some bullish divergence going on. Where we at? We're at 58. Anything above 55 on the RSI is bullish. So on the 4 hour, you are bullish and you have room to move to the upside. You do have room to move to the upside on the 4 hour. Positive momentum on the MACD, very positive momentum. But like I said, on that Fibonacci retracement, that used to be the resistance. And we had a zone of resistance right here. So now I'm looking for on the next 2 hours and 58 minutes if Ethereum can break that level of resistance at 1111 and then come up and tap this level of resistance here at 1157. Now, if we start trending in between here and here, or consolidating between here and here, I would be looking for this 100-day to become support and then move up to the next level of resistance, which is going to be 1345. So that's going to be a very nice move, but I need a open and I need a close above what used to be support in order to say that I'm going to get to this area. I'm going to have to break out of two levels of resistance right here on our 786 and right here at the 100 day. I need support from the 100 day to get into this area here. So that's on Ethereum. We are looking positive on the 4 hour when it comes to Ethereum, because you just had a bullish engulfing on this 4 hour candle. Just had a bullish engulfing on the 4 hour candle. So that looks good. Let's take a look at Litecoin. What do we have on Litecoin? We had a head and shoulders move. We had a head and shoulders. Did our head and shoulders get hit? No, it did not. It got a little bit of that move. Where'd you go? Horizontal line right there. Nope, bring that back. Yeah, we got a piece, just a small piece of that head and shoulders what we thought we saw. Now, head and shoulders doesn't always play out, but sometimes it does. Let me turn this magnet off. Now, from our neckline to down here, we got about 5%, 5.62% of the measured move that we were looking for. We were looking for a measured move of 13.52%. We only end up getting 5.62% of that measured move. So now, now this has turned into uh, a different situation. But this right here is resistance, 51.94, 50, basically $52. Basically $52. If we can get back above $52, then open and close, I would be looking for Litecoin to jump to 52.88, and then after 52.88, I'm looking for possibly 53.81. Yeah, because that would be our level right there. I'm gonna hold that right there. But yeah, anything back above the 50-day, then our head and shoulders is going to be invalidated. Anything back above this 50-day on price action, head and shoulders will be invalidated. So I'm gonna still keep that up there just in case. We're gonna see what happens. And that's on Litecoin. Let's take a look at Chainlink. What do we have going on Chainlink? Positive momentum on the MACD. Take this out to a weekly right quick. See what we got going on. Yep, that's what it was. It was a weekly. So I'm gonna take that off. Hmm. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't even see that. Hmm. Yeah, bam. Let me see. See if we followed. Hmm. So where'd the trend start? Trend is there. Okay. But you need as many touches as possible. So where'd all your touches come from? All your touches came from up here. All right, there we go. That's what I was looking for. But that still seems to be some sort of a trend. I'm gonna come back to that. Just had a thought. So anyway, we on chain link, right? We had an uptrend. We were trending up, hit an all-time high, $53.89. Currently trading at $6.27. We seem to be consolidating on this area of support, which is at $5.87. Now, let's take this to a daily. On a daily, you're getting rejected by your 20 day. On a daily, you are getting rejected by your 20 day. 20 day has you at 655. As long as you're trading under that, you're not going anywhere. See if we got some support on the 4 hour. Now, 4 hour looks a little different. Had a double bottom here. Here's your acceleration and then breakdown. So now we appear to be having a 50-day support and just back test. Look like you could get back tested to this area right there. What area is that? That's $6.20. Currently trading at 627. Look like you want to hit that area. What are we on? We're on a 4 hour right now. So if the 50-day can get the support, hold as the support on the 4 hour. I'm looking for 651. Now, let's take a look at this right quick. I want to see something. I wonder. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Turn my magnets on. I want to get my fibs exact. There we go. Um, 236 comes in at 631. You are trading at 626. But it looks like, yep, you broke out of the 236 and you are back testing your 236. So now on your 4 hour, this looks like support. Could be support. Keep your eye on chain link for the support. And if you do get the support and you go up here, you're going to test that 100 day. So if you get the support from the 236, so let's just say your entry is here. Minimum 4.97% return. And most people don't see that type of return in a year. So you could trade 4.97% to the upside. Add some more capital to your incident position. That's what I would do. That's just me though. I'm already adding to my position. Anyway, so yeah, just looking at chain link on a 4 hour could get that push to this 100 day. You start breaking above, open and close. It means you need to get a 4 hour candlestick to open above resistance. You need a 4 hour candlestick to close above resistance in order to start moving higher in price action. And that's on chain link. Let's take a look at KNC. You did finally get your support from the 20-day. You were getting rejected. Let's take this to a daily right quick. Now you're still getting rejected from your 20-day on a daily. Still getting rejected from the 20-day. But you are finding areas of support. You have not broken this support right here. This is strong support. Whoa. Okay, can see. Huh. This thing has not broken this level of support, and it was resistance back here. When was that? November 27, 2020? This thing has been holding. Wow. For 2 years, that's been the support level? Wow. Almost 2 years. KNC has held the support at $1.16. Anytime it's had a rally, it's always jumped from the $1.16 point. So right now, we're at $1.26. How would I play this? Let's check the 1 hour. What do you have to say, 1 hour? I need to see a trend change. And a trend, bang, bang, bang. So high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Let's see what we got. Still a lower high right there. Gotta get above $1.26. Trading at $1.25. Gotta get back above $1.26. $1.2687. Let's open that up so y'all can see that. Yeah, right there. Right there. Nope, a little closer. Bring it down son. There we go. Now, on a 1 hour, if I was to run the fib, where would I run the fib from? Let's run it from up here. I run it from up there. I ain't afraid. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. Hit the resistance. Clean, currently being rejected from your 236. Currently being rejected from the 236. You can't get any cleaner than that. That's beautiful. So what would I do? I would look for this back test right here. We're on a 1 hour. Look to see if your 100-day holds the support. 100-day has you at $1.24. Anything below that, I would not want to lose this 20 and 50-day right here at $1.23. So let's see if $1.23 holds. And that is on KNC. Let's take a look at Algorand. What do we have on Algorand? We must be looking at something already. Pull that up over there. Let's take that off right quick. Let's see what you got, Algorand. Let's put it on the body. Put it on the bodies. Right there, 30 cents. That'll work. That works for me. All right. So you are currently holding what used to be support, still acting as the support. You do not want to lose 30 cents as the support. That's on the weekly time frame. See what we got going on the daily. On the daily, you're getting rejected by your 20-day. Still getting rejected by the 20-day. You cannot get past the 20-day. You were getting beat up by the 20-day since May the 9th. Yeah, since May the 9th, May the 10th, yeah, you've been getting beat up by the 20-day. And just creating lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. But seem to be holding that point. You're starting to come to a point though where you might lose that support though. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Turn the EMAs off for a second. You're lying to me. Now, on a 4 hour, that seems to be support. That's on a 4 hour. So how would I play this? Let's take a look. Oh, by the way, this is not financial advice. Please do not take this as such. This is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do not take this as financial advice. We do have support from the 236. That is interesting. This is on a 4 hour time frame. Now, let's take a look. Get the EMAs back popping again. You have support from your 20 and your 50 day. Your resistance is coming in at this 100 day right here, which is at 32 cents. You're trading at 31.41. If you can get an open and close above this 100-day resistance, you could be looking at the 382 as the next level of resistance. So how much are we looking at if we were to catch an entry here? If I wanted to catch an entry here or here, do I want to back test? I would take it here. You're looking at 6.59% to the upside on Algorand. That's going to get you right here at the sweet spot at 382, which is going to be 33.46, 0.3346 to the upside. Now, let me see what type of downside. What are we looking at if I lose the 20-day and the 50-day? You're only looking at 1.74% to the downside. So, yeah, minimal risk, nice reward. All right, let's take a look at ZRX. It seems I've charted ZRX as well. Had a swing low to a swing high going on. You're currently holding the support, but you're getting rejected by your 20-day. You had a nice consolidation. What are we on? We're on a 4 hour. We're on a 4 hour. Actually, that's a nice sell-off. But you do have positive momentum on your MACD. What are we looking like on the RSI? RSI is not quite bullish just yet. You are getting rejected by the 20-day. You are holding the support at the half on your Fibonacci level. This is actually almost like an invisible barrier. So that doesn't really exist, but it does exist. So now you have not had a full Fibonacci retracement to your 618. So what could happen? Right now, I'm looking at resistance all the way around. Let's take a look at a 1 hour. Now, see, the 1 hour is really going to tell you the picture. So you had a high, and you started creating lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower. What is that? This high is the same as the last previous high. So now, let's see if we can start pushing above that. We can get back above that. That might signal a trend change. So that is on ZRX. Let's take a look at Tezos. Nice, nice. All right, let's turn this off. Let's turn that off. I'm gonna keep it on the 1 hour just to be buck with y'all. Yeah, let's keep it on the 1 hour. Bang. Ha ha. Look, man. Man, this is so awesome. All right, so on the 1 hour, let me put you on a 4 hour, but on a 1 hour, on the 1 hour, we had a rejection from the 50-day, came back and back tested your 236. You did get somewhat of a close though. You did get a close real quick below your 236. Your support is currently holding you, well, was holding you down here at $1.39, and then you accelerated. So now, after this acceleration, I will be looking for consolidation, and consolidation could come in the form of this area down here, possibly at $1.44. Yeah, I'm gonna say $1.44. That works. That works. But you are holding the halfway mark. So you could get a little bit of push to the upside only because, but you are currently overbought on your RSI on the 1 hour. So pay attention to that as well. You do have room to move. You are above three major moving averages on the 4 hour. You're above the 100, the 20, and the 50. So now if we can get a closure above this, I'll be looking for a push up to the 618, which has you at $1.54. And then after that, I'm going to come back and take a look at this again now. But what's really interesting about this is that you had a low here though. You had a low here. Bring that down. Here's your lows. Well, actually, let's put it on the body. Let's put it on the bodies. So you had a low here, and then you had one touch, two touch. That might be a double bottom. So let me turn this fib off. Let me turn the fib off right quick. That's interesting. I didn't see that before. I did not see that before. Let's turn these drawings off right quick. That's interesting. Zoom out a little bit. This is why they tell you to zoom out. That's exactly why they tell you to zoom out. So, real quick, now. Oh, really? Oh, really? Okay. A little sneaky. I peeped you. I peeped you. All right. Let's take a look at this again. So on the 4 hour, you had a low, and then you consolidated here, came back, hit that same exact point, and now starting with the acceleration again. So now we're looking at a 200-day resistance, and right above that is your 382. You're currently trading at $1.51. So now this one, this particular asset, you would be looking at a possible, let's just say if you got in right here, right? You don't want to lose that 20 and the 50-day. So I would say, actually, you don't want to lose your 236 as well. So that right there is 3.97% to the downside, but your upside is almost 7%, 6.99. Well, actually, let's just say if I get it to the 382, 382 is going to have me at 8.44%. And if you start opening and closing above your 200-day, then that could potentially turn into 17.37% or 26.31%. So keep your eye on that. Keep your eye on Tezos. Tezos is looking a little bit different than the rest of the market from what I'm seeing so far. Take a look at VeChain. VeChain is just, I don't know VeChain. I don't. Let's turn these wicks on. Wicks look terrible. Real choppy. There we go. That's a much better picture. Mm, Put me on the daily. There we go. Yeah, this is downtrend. VeChain is just downtrend. Just a downtrend. One big downtrend. That thing had a very nice run though. Very nice run. And whew, I remember we bought VeChain, man. VeChain that was one of the ones right there. Let me see something. All right, so that's not it. Let me see. Where are you? Show me the fib. Right here. There you go. Where's your 1618? Is that 2 cents? Yeah, I found you. They thought I couldn't find you, but I found you. Yeah, let me turn that wick back on. See if we hit that. See if we hit that 1618. We sure did. We sure did. Yeah, actually, I could turn that off right there. So we hit the 1618. Now, is that my 1618? Yeah, it is because I was running off the bodies. Okay, cool. So I wonder if I run it on the Wix though. If I run it on the Wix, will it adjust? Yeah, it did adjust. That's interesting. Nope, put it back on the bodies. Put it back on the bodies. Bodies make more sense. Okay, so on the 1618, we hit that, bounced up, still getting rejected though. But I will say you are coming out of negative momentum on the weekly. You are coming out of negative momentum on the weekly. Currently trading at 2.25 cents, but you're getting beat up by that 20-day. Gotta get it back above your 20-day. Gotta find that support before you start moving back to the upside. This is not looking good right now. 4 hours showing a little promise, but not really. And a 1 hour is just, yeah, just consolidation, just one big consolidation. Maybe a few ups and downs, but other than that, just chop. So that is VeChain. Let's take a look at engine. I gotta start doing this. I'll be overcharting. There we go. 1 hour. Oh man, what all these ads, bro? Oh, that's interesting. Hmm. A lot of these assets are moving the same way. A lot of these assets are moving the same way. Had that low, and then you had the run up, and then you consolidated for a certain period of time, and now starting to trend up again. Really interesting. Now, on the 1 hour, what would I do? 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 Let's take it from here to here and see what that says. Give it to me on the week. There you go. There you go. Now, you do have support from your 236. Let's see what the EMAs have to say. Mm, you are, you have support. You do have support from all major moving averages. Now, take it to a 4 hour. 4 hour is a different picture. 4 hour, you do not, or do you? You're holding that support right now. You're breaking above your 50-day, but you haven't closed because you still have 2 hours and 29 minutes. Now, you do get that close, you're going to run into this resistance right here at 50 cents. And after that, your 382 has you at 52 cents, 54 cents, and then this resistance is 55 cents and then 56 cents overall on your 618 retracement for engine. Let's check out Solana. turn this off. Same thing. Right there. Right there. Only on 1 hour time frames though that they're behaving the same. When you change the times, they start getting a little erratic. On your 4 hour, you had a very strong bullish engulfing on Solana. Very strong bullish engulfing. I would be looking for this area. Well, actually, I will be looking for your 20-day to hold the support at 33.45. If 33.40, what is that? 33.43? Yeah. If 33.43 can hold as the support, and I will be looking for continuation. See what we got on daily. Yeah, daily 20-day is right above your 382. 20-day is right above your 382. Let me see if I can change. Nope, I don't need to change that. Yep, 20-day is right above your 382. Now, still paying attention to this, but we got to get back above our 20-day. If we can get back above our 20-day and hold the 20-day as support and try to get the 50-day as support, then we can start looking for that turnaround. Take a look at AVAX. Oh, my back is itching. Put it on the 1 hour. Let me turn this off. All of it. Here we go. See, the same thing. Created the low. Almost had somewhat of a double bottom back here. Not there. Down here. Right there. Had somewhat of a double bottom. And then see, same thing. That consolidation area right there. Not here. Down there. This consolidation area. Real heavy consolidation. Right here. Right there. Very heavy consolidation. And then a breakout, which might indicate a trend change. See, heavy, very heavy consolidation, and then the breakout. So now this is your resistance right here at 1768. If you can get a closure above 1768 open, close, then I will be looking for higher price targets. Let's run this on the fib right quick. Mm, haven't really got a you haven't really got the close on your 236 just yet. Still have not really gotten the close. Got a nice, very nice rejection though, right here. 1, 2, very nice rejection. So let's see what that looks like on the EMAs. Now you do have support from your 20 and your 50. Well, actually, you need to let this sit for some more time to see if you get this actual support. Give it to me on a 1 hour. And on the 1 hour, you're above all major moving averages. Could see some consolidation, come back down and test this area right here, somewhere around 1663. If you can get in right around that 1663 area, then the continue move to the upside. All right. What else do I want to take a look at? I always like looking at. Take a look at SNX. SNX been trending. Why really giving SNX any credit lately? SNX has been trending. Ooh, we had a trend line. What kind of trend line? 4 hour? Ooh, look at that. Breakout right here. Back test. Currently holding the back test on the trend line. Oh, that's solid right there. That's very solid. See if we can hold that. See if we can hold that. I would love to hold that area. That would be really solid. I've seen stranger things happen though. You could come back down to test 259, but still, right now as it stands, they're currently holding our trend line as the back test. So if we can get that, then I'm looking for higher price targets on SNX. But I would love to see it get above this 236 right here, which is at 302. Start opening and closing above the 236, and then that will send me to these higher price targets up here, which would be $4.01, $4.80, and $5.60. See who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Let's take a look at Matic. Matic, not even touching your 20-day just yet. Let me see. Let me turn this off. But you do seem to be consolidating. You do seem to be consolidating on this level here. That seems to be holding you up as support. 44 cents. 44 cents is holding you up as support. If you lose 44 cents, you're going to come lower. I would love for this to break this 20-day right here at 49 cents. Would love for it to break that area, but it looks like some sort of resistance zone. Let's take a look at a 4-hour. 4-hour, you still don't have the support from your 20-day. Yeah, so let's look at a little limp right now. On the 1-hour though, you do have support from your 20 and your 50. You're getting rejected by your 100-day. Yep, 20, 50, getting rejected by the 100. So I would really like to see Matic make some sort of positive move, but as it stands right now, you're just creating lower highs. Just creating the lower highs still. BNB. Let's turn this off. BNB is looking kind of positive. That's just on the 1-hour though. Same thing. Low consolidation. This is really interesting how a lot of these assets are moving. Pretty much moving the same exact way. I will be sure to make a note of this. So if this was me, resistance seems to be here, which is now holding as support now. That's interesting. This area used to be the resistance. It is now support. Used to be resistance, now support. Pay attention to that. You got a bullish engulfing right here. Had a bullish engulfing candle. Now you're getting this back test right there. What do we say? Let's turn on the EMAs. See what the EMAs have to say. Being held up by your 20 and your 50. You got some resistance coming up at your 100-day at 227. You're trading at 223. If you can get open and close above that 100-day, then I would be looking at least 243, maybe, just maybe, because we got a area of resistance right here too. So 240, let's just call it 240. If you open and close above this 100 days, the resistance. So right there, bam. All right, who else do I want to take a look at? Let's take a look at XRP. Take a look at XRP. Everybody's been tagging me about XRP lately. Let's take it to a daily. XRP seemed to be holding some sort of support at 31 cents. Yep, holding the support at 31 cents. I'm just not seeing the bullishness though. It's not bullish. On a smaller time frame, it might be, but right now it's just not. It's not popping. Not popping at all. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. Mm-mm. Yeah, getting rejected. Still creating lower highs. Mm, gotta break this level right here. Gotta break 32.47. 32.47. Then you can start seeing higher price action on XRP. But right now you're trading at 32.07, and I'm just not seeing it. I don't know. I'm just for some reason it's not screaming buy. Let's see what the parameters have to say. Yeah, chop. Nothing. Nothing. I don't see it. On the daily? Nope. I'm not seeing it. Mm-mm. You can't convince me to buy this right now. Not right now. Not right now. I need to get back above this 20-day, which has me at 33 cents. So if you can push above and give me some extra room to move, then I'm gonna take it. But other than that, it's ugly. Ugly right now. All right. Let's take a look at sand. Let's see what sand is talking about. I was just looking at sand last night too. Just looking at sand last night. Sandbox seems to be holding this area of my trend line right here. I created this trend line last night, well, actually last week, and it's been holding this area as an uptrend. Now, I would love for this to open and close above the 50-day at $1.28. And if we can get above $1.28, well, actually, if we can get the support from this 20-day, but I really want to get the support from this 50-day. So we can get the support from the 50-day, then that's going to make me a buyer. That is going to make me a buyer. Up until $1 and what, 74 cents, 73 cents. Let's call it $1.73. So you could get from here. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah, 34%. That's the best looking chart. That's the best looking return today. So you have to get above this 50-day. I need to open and close above that 50-day to even see this get filled. So keep your eye on Sandbox as well. Let's take a look at Mana. Mana is not seeing the same. I'm not seeing there's something different about Mana. Even though I'm accumulating Mana, I don't care. Anything under $1 Mana, I'm buying it, to be honest with you. To be honest with you, anything under $1 Mana, I'm buying. It's definitely long term on the project. Definitely long term. Let's take a look. Same thing. Low, higher lows, and the consolidation. So give me a 4 hour. Give me something I can hit. Give me something I can hit. Hmm. A little temporary bullishness. Very temporary. Maybe right there. Right there. Put it back. Right there. There we go. Interesting. Hmm. Right there. Yep, right there. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Well, actually, you can keep that there, to be honest. And then I'll put this here. Where did my last line go? Give me that. So it's $1.04. So you could be looking at $1.04 if you start to open and close above 86 cents. Let's see what the EMAs have to say. Yeah, yeah. You got to get above that 100 day and this level of resistance right here. And then 92 cents would be your next target, maybe even 93 cents. And then above that, you're looking at $1.04. And that is on Mana. Who else do I want to take a look at before we get up out of here? Let's take a look at FTM. Take a look at FTM. I like FTM. What did FTM have to say? Just on a day. Yeah, FTM got to get above that 20 day. FTM got to get above the 20 day. We got an all time low of 15 cents though, and we are currently trading at 25 cents. Got to get back above this 20 day. I would really like to see FTM get back above that 20 day. You can get back above the 20 day, open and close, and your next level of resistance is looking like this area right here, 33 cents. 33 cents. Where is your 2-3, I mean, not the 236, but your 20 day? Right there, 27 cents. So if you could open and close above 27 cents, next level of resistance looking like 33 cents. And how much of a return is that? Nice. That's a 21.94% return. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead, get up out of here. Peace, family. Y'all enjoy y'all 4th of July. Have a great day.